Hello, this is Carl Crow. I'm recording my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Babes Mastermind training. I tried something this morning and didn't have any luck with it. Let me tell you what I did. In doing the syndication, when I go to the syndication post and I click on the 1.5K, and I get to the list of where everyone has posted all of their videos, then when I click on one of those, if it opens on top of that, when I close it, I got to go back and start all over again. I have to go back and click the 1.5K and find it, and it's a little bit aggravating. I'm wasting a lot of time after I finish one getting back to the group. So since that's wasting a lot of time, then I was like, well, goodness, I got to do something else besides this. So what I noticed was that if I would right-click on that link, when you right-click, you'll get a menu list pop up. The first one on the list says Open in New Tab. So when I click that and click Open in New Tab, then it opens another tab. I click on that tab, and when I go to that tab, then I can view their video, and I can comment on it and like it, and then I'll close that tab. When I close that tab, then it goes back to the Facebook page where it has the list of everyone. The problem I was having before was that every time I would open one on top of it, when it opened it and I came back, it would go back where I had to go back and click on the 1.5K, and it was taking me time to get back to the list again. So that's saving me some time. So when you get to that list, if you'll right click on it, when you right click, then click the very top thing in the list, Open a New Tab, and then click on that tab, go there and do it. When you're finished commenting and liking it, then when you close that tab, you're back to the list, and you can just scroll down to the very next one. And that really speeds up that process for me. So we don't need to waste time on things. I actually did a screen recording. I have not downloaded Loom yet. I had Screen Rec, and I used it. And on my main laptop, for some reason, my speaker is not working. So I can't record videos there. So I went to my tablet. On the tablet, things are different. The screen's not as large, and I tried recording that, and I kept messing up. And I did sections of it, and I was going to put the sections together. And when I started to put those sections together, then I went to the video editor for Windows, and in the Windows video editor, it didn't recognize those files, so I couldn't bring them in and edit them. I did that in about maybe 5 different sessions. I was going to put those together, but the Windows video editor didn't recognize those, so I couldn't bring them in and edit and put it in as one video. So I just told you about it. One other thing that I want to talk about is the quantum sleeping affirmations. I've been doing that for 4 nights now, and every night I go ahead and put that on. It's a 7 hours, so it does it all night long. And then when the vid said also to do it in the morning, but one morning when I woke up, then I did click on the morning video and went back to bed. But on the other mornings, I've not been awake, so when the alarm rings, so I don't know how to do the morning one, because when the alarm rings, then I'm up and I'm not going to be back in bed anymore. But I have done that for 4 nights now. So I've done that for 4 nights, and I'm constantly working on creating videos. I'm doing different types of videos. I'm doing some YouTube shorts. I'm doing some jokes, like affiliate marketer jokes. I'm doing those. I'll put those up. Also, I'm doing some shorts where I'm doing surveys. It'll be kind of like a survey, and it will have a question with several answers. Each answer comes on a different screen, and that's done as a YouTube short. YouTube is wanting to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is pushing for people to start putting up short videos. So I am doing two different types. I'm doing the ones where that I do the joke, and then I do the questionnaire, kind of in the survey like, which will be about 5 or 6 screens, 4 to 6 screens, and both of those are done as YouTube Shorts. Of course, I'm doing the regular videos, and I'll be doing the video each day for this. But in addition, I'll be doing some videos of other types too. I'll do research. I use ChatGPT to research a topic. I went through and had ChatGPT to give me a list of research of keywords, and also vidIQ is pretty good at giving you keywords, and so they're getting good keyword phrases and using those, and I did that, and then I put those in ChatGPT, and also I have ChatGPT to give me a list of titles, and I kind of word it where I say, give me a list of titles for this keyword phrase, and give me titles that people on YouTube would like. And I get a list of maybe 25 titles. Then I take that title and I say, write me a video script for that particular title. And you can tell it to do more. You can have to rephrase it. I also go to take that and rewrite some of it myself, because you better look at it. Everything comes out is not what you want. So if you do use Chat, be careful. Everything may not be true. Some things need to be restated, and so you need to make sure you kind of redo some of that. Then I take it to Copyscape. I go to Copyscape. I took $20 from two of my Saturday earnings, and I put $20 in Copyscape. It only uses 3 to 6 cents each time I do a video. And Copyscape will tell you if you have a copyright violation. And then it will show the exact text, and you can go edit that text and get rid of that copyright. So I do that before I post the video. Once I do that, once I go through Copyscape and correct that, then I'm using Pickery, and I'm using that, and in it, I copy my text to that, and it wants you to put each sentence on a different line. If you don't, it will try to put them all on one screen. So I make sure I put an enter after each period, and then it will also let you do background music. It will also let you do a voiceover. So I do the voiceover and I do the music both, and then I will let it create the video and then upload that to YouTube. I'm using Canva to do my thumbnails. In Canva, in the search, if you'll just put YouTube thumbnail, it will come up with the list of templates, and you can select those, and they're the correct size, and you can use those. That's the easiest way to do thumbnails I know of. So for the YouTube thumbnails, I definitely recommend using Canva. I use Canva for that all the time. So I'm just kind of giving you some things about what I'm doing, and maybe that'll be helpful for someone else. And as I evaluate, comment on some of your videos, maybe I'll do the same thing. Share some things with me that might be helpful. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to our next session on Thursday.